We're here at A&B, a very popular exhibition. Why? Because it is based at the heart of technology in Germany. I'm of course on the Sodick stand. They've got a brand new stand this year. But what's important is they bring all of their European representatives together. So I'm here to find out a little bit more about what is happening across industries in Europe.
My name is Giuseppe Adelia. I'm the president of Sodick Germany. In this moment, the German market is struggling because the automotive industry is not working good, it's not selling good. And all the companies who deliver parts are in trouble. The only industry where we can sell a lot of machine is weapon, medicine and energy. Our solution is that we, with our technology, must go in the production because wire cut machine in the production you don't find so much. The impact will be very, very big because it's the first time that especially Sodick create this robot system with a wire cut machine.
The situation in Sweden is right now up and going because we have the NATO, we go into NATO now. That gives us a lot of possibilities to make a lot of business, and we need to make a lot of parts for this military industry, and that will give us a lot of more parts we have to produce for other industries also. It's just the military, it's all industries. I think Sodick machines are interesting now because we have this high-end machine. And that is important in this weapon industry. We need these high-end machines. We cannot just do it in what machine we need. We need good machines. We need machines that we are trust for, because we have no time to make it, remake it, or no time to make a lot of work with this. We need to make it right from the very beginning. And that will give us a big opportunity to show Sodick what we're doing and what we stand for.
The watch industry, let's say, it's not only, but all kind of customers, reliable machines they need, and Sodick is reliable. Customers get always more demanding. So less people on the machine. Imagine you have a line of 10 machines, but there are not 10 operators. You have maybe 2 operators who takes care on 10 machines. So, and with Sodick they run, and this is one of the advantage from Sodick. As I said before, it's a reliable machine, high technology. We have 10-year warranty of the linear motors. The only company worldwide in erosion that use since the year 2000 linear motors. So this is the reason. So 20 years old machine make the same precision as on the first day.
Automation is becoming really important. There's a trend in the UK, unfortunately, that operators are becoming harder and harder to get, or other companies, blue chip companies, are kind of taking them. So the smaller companies are losing out on workers. So we are being asked the questions about automation. It's something definitely in the future that will be kind of very prominent in the market. Automation in EDM is still quite a niche market. And we have a very good relationship with Iroa, and we can offer all of that at Sodick. We can actually sell you the robot, we can install the robot, and we can even train on it. So it's a one-stop shop really when it comes to automation. But yeah, we're getting inquiries all over the place. It's not one market in particular. So long may it continue. Let's keep growing.